In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use appointment schedules in Google Calendar. If you're looking to streamline your appointments or simply make booking easier for others, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, open up Google Calendar either on your PC or mobile device. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the Create button. This can typically be found on the left-hand side on a PC or at the bottom corner on a mobile device. Click or tap on Create, and you should see an option labeled Appointment Schedule. Go ahead and select that. Now let's talk about entering your appointment details. You'll need to craft a title that clearly describes the appointment, such as consultation with your name. Then move on to the description section. Here, you can add any information that you think will help the participant understand what the appointment entails. Perhaps it's a meeting agenda, specific items to bring, or even a web link to join virtually. Once the basics are set, determine when you're available. Choose specific dates and times that fit your schedule. Google allows you to add different slots to give people a range of options. Next, consider the appointment's duration. Do you want each meeting to be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or perhaps an hour? Choose what works best for your needs. Buffer time is another great feature. This allows you to automatically build in breaks between appointments, ensuring you have enough breathers between sessions. After deciding on the buffer time, you'll need to set the maximum number of bookings per day. This feature is particularly handy if you're trying to avoid overloading your schedule. Alright, now that you have all your preferences set up, it's time to save your appointment schedule. Once saved, Google Calendar will generate a booking link for you. This is the magic key for your invitees. Simply share this link with those who need to book time with you. This could be done via email, text, or even added in your online profiles. Once they select a slot, the booking will automatically appear in your calendar. How convenient is that? It's really that simple. With just a few clicks, you're fully set up. This feature is a game changer for anyone looking to keep organized and save time. Additionally, it offers transparency and efficiency for your clients or colleagues as they can easily view your availability. That wraps up our guide on setting up appointment schedules in Google Calendar. I hope this has been a helpful walkthrough and you're now ready to go out there and streamline your scheduling process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.